waiting to see if this will boot. Ooh, look at that. So, what I did here is I have a copy of TRSDOS 20B running, and I have my PIO chips that I ordered. The 4 in the foam there are the new ones, and this is the old one, which was apparently bad. Because if I go back to the machine here, we have startup. Look at that. Model 2 TRSDOS 20B. So let's hit the reset button on you. Watch it from scratch. $64K of memory. Initializing. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, I have to put in any date that I can because not all the keys work. 02 1982. No time. Hey, look at this. Error 31. Okay, well. Oh, this thing needs caps. There we go. Yeah, this thing doesn't accept commands in lowercase. Alright. Well, it looks like we have ourselves a winner. We'll have to play with this some more. Until next time.